Today, I'm going to a N95 face mask factory in Yiwu, China. Firstly, I come to the material warehouse to see the raw material for producing the face mask. The main material is non-woven fabric and melt-blown fabric. The first step is to combine different layers of non-woven fabric and melt-blown fabric together by machine. It can be different, like 3, 4, 5 or 6 layers of material, depends on the customer's requirements. Then the machine will cut the combined material into face mask body shape. In general, it is similar as a sandwich made by different fabric layers. The next step is to put air strap onto the mask body. The worker will control the machine by footstep to join the strap onto the mask body. This kind of machine is called ultrasonic wave machine. We take a long video to see how many pieces he can make in 1 minute to calculate how many pieces they can produce in 1 day. He is a little bit nervous when we take this shot. Look at him. Then the next step is to put the edge to combine with each other. We call it steer the edge while the nose clip is already put on inside. We can see the workers are quite experienced at handling this machine. They are day shift and night shift workers to keep machine working for 24 hours non-stop every day. Here again we take a long shot to calculate the speed. Finally, we know each day they can produce 400,000 pieces. Then we come to the last step, is to clean and pack. Different customers need different kinds of packing. Some just need poly bag while some need inner gift box. As we know, most shipment of the mask is made by air, so the packing is quite tight in general. The packing speed can match with the speed of production. This factory is working in a non-dust environment to keep product clean. All workers need to wear the mask, hat, and some of them even need to wear the shoe cover. Here is for today. We will continue next time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe me. Thank you.